In this video, I will show you how to complete Take the Plunge mission in Skate 4. So let's get right into this video. Now this is actually pretty simple. First of all, you need to fly to the bridge, and you can do that by clicking on R1 and X on your controller at the same time. So let me do that again. And okay, so I also did the second objective. And so let me try that again and go to this one. Okay, that was a bit too far. So once again. Yes, and then the last one, dive into the canal. And that's it for this video.